Here's a look at how to create a Prezi video and share it in Highspot. First, you'll need to download the Prezi Video app on either Mac or Windows. Open your browser and go to www.prezi.com/download/video. Your download should start automatically. That's it. Now you're ready to install Prezi Video just like any other app. Open the app and log in. To start creating, select Create New Video. First, choose a template that fits your content. Use the arrows to preview how it will look. Once you found the right template, select Content to start editing your frames. A frame is where you can add your visual and some text to appear alongside you. First, add some text, like a title. Then, you can select Insert Image to add an image of your own, or Import PowerPoint to insert a slide from an existing deck. You can also search our library for an icon or image that fits your video. To keep you on cue, try adding presenter notes over here, above your frame. To add another frame, select the plus over here on the left, and then add more of your content. You can easily reorder your frames by selecting one and then simply dragging it up or down along the sidebar. If you want, you can also delete a frame by hovering over the thumbnail and then selecting the X. Once you're ready, select Video Conference to present live, or select Record to record a video, which you can then save as an MP4 or upload it to your online Prezi dashboard. You'll also see what frame's coming up next down here on the right. And if you've already added presenter notes, you'll see them up here at the top. If you want, you can add them now. Just select the box and then type your notes to help keep you on cue. To navigate through your content, use the left and right arrows in the Prezi Video app or on your keyboard. You can also click on anything that you want to zoom to directly. While presenting, you can switch the views to show only you and your content, or just your content at any time. Once you're finished, select Done Recording. After you finalize your video by trimming the beginning or end, select Save and Share to either upload your video to your Prezi account or save it as an MP4 to your computer. And then select Done. Now, when you're ready to upload to Highspot, select Plus from your dashboard and then find your video file, or simply drag and drop it. Your Prezi video is now available for you to use in any content you create in Highspot. And that's it. Create more engaging content, trainings, and pitches with Prezi Video and Highspot.